Hi guys, wondering how to recover data from old or formatted hard drive? In today's video, I will show you how to do it. First, prepare the right cable to connect hard drives to computer properly. If it's an external hard drive, it's usually USB cable. Next, we'll use Syncios D-Savior. It's very easy and beginner-friendly. Download and open it on your computer first. Now connect your drive. On the Syncios main screen, you'll see all partitions. Select the one you want to recover, then click Start Scan. Scanning time depends on the drive size. Be patient and don't exit halfway. After scanning, Syncios lists all files, photos, documents, videos, audios. Select the files you want and preview files before recovery. Then click Recover. Do not save them back to the same hard drive, or you might overwrite the data. Choose another partition or an external drive instead. Once it's done, you'll see recovery successful, and your data is back. Easy, right? I'll leave the download link in the comments. Drop any questions below, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.